Welcome to Bone Cottage. Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful container house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the 2-bedroom shipping container house. There is a 40 feet 2 shipping containers. The total area I have taken is the length is 40 feet in meter 12.19 meter and the width is 16 feet in meter 4.87 meter. In the front we have sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, chair arrangement, TV unit on the front wall, and on the left side we have bedroom number 1. Here you can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, and large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. And if we go on the left side, so we have kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner and sink, and also we have refrigerator arrangement and dining counter with 2 chairs and glass panel for ventilation and light purpose. Also we have large size window for ventilation and light purpose of kitchen area. After that, if we go on the right side of the house, so we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, and we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet, and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And on the right side of the house we have balcony area. You can see here the sliding door for access the balcony, and on the back side we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet, and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video, stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.